Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Anybody that's new to the channel, my name is Chris, and in this video we're going to talk about IZEA Stock. Now IZEA has been getting so much momentum just to start the year off, but I believe this company has a lot of growth potential to continue this momentum for the rest of year 2021. They have signed some new deals and new sponsorships that could keep on making them money. IZEA is on track to make more money this year than what they did last year, which is always a good thing when it comes to companies, right? Especially penny stocks. So in this video, basically I want to give you guys a stock update video on IZEA Stock to see what type of new partnerships and sponsorships that they actually signed, what new ways are they having been making money, and what else is there for IZEA Stock for the rest of year 2021. As always, I always try to give you guys the most up-to-date information that I possibly can to make sure you guys are the most up-to-date, to make sure you guys are making the most informed decisions that you possibly can at the end of the day. At the end of the day, everything is for you guys. So if this is something you like and do enjoy, please make sure you guys give me a big thumbs up. It does help me out. So without further ado, guys, let's talk about IZEA. IZEA Worldwide, ticker symbol IZEA, right now is trading at $4.34. Okay, when this particular trading day where market closed, it dropped 2%. Okay, but this company has been getting a lot of attention and a lot of traction. Yes, this company has been a little bit volatile because it is a penny stock. You can see this is just a month out. It reached a high of around $7.11 and reached a low after that around $4.37. Okay, so this company has been getting a lot of volatility, but it has been picking up a lot of momentum. They have a market cap of 236.5 million and an average volume of 7.2 million. So IZEA is basically a company that specializes in influencer marketing. Okay, influencer marketing is a growing industry. This company does have a lot of competition, but IZEA has been getting a lot of attention. It is a growing industry and it's projected by year 2025, this industry should be worth around $25 billion. So if IZEA can actually get a piece of this pie, IZEA could be in pretty good shape. So in my previous video, I talked about IZEA Stock, that they have two major applications and tools that they currently have out right now. Number one is Shake, where the influencer marketing actually takes place, and something called brand graph, where the influencer can actually see how much momentum a single post or a piece of content actually gets. Okay, when it comes to influencer marketing, guys, this company does make a lot of revenue from this. Okay, so when it comes to that, basically when it comes to Shake, somebody will want to promote a specific brand, ad, or something. All right, let's say a message. Okay, so you'll go to Shake and basically find an influencer. For example, you could look at the prices of these specific influencers, right? You look up what specific niche you want to promote that specific ad or brand, contact the influencer, and everything's legal, okay? Everything's bounded by contract and everything's, transitioned through their website, okay? So everything is legal and a little bit more secure than traditional DMing through Instagram. So you'll basically pay this influencer to promote your content. Then that influencer will basically have some like 30 seconds or a minute, 5 minutes, whatever time it is, to promote your content. Okay, so that's basically the influencer marketing. Okay, depending on how much following and how much demand this influencer have will actually fluctuate the pricing and how much traction your company or your brand or your ad will actually get back. Okay, so that's Shake. Now when it comes to brand graph, that's another tool that you as a content creator or you as an advertiser person would like to have. That shows you how much traction your ad posts and content have been getting, how many likes, where you liking, what you could improve. Like, it gives you all those details in a very simplified graph. Okay, so IZEA makes money in two main different ways. Number one is when the influencer gets paid, IZEA gets a piece. Okay, it gets a small percentage of that profit. For example, in this specific creator, they charge $3,000. Okay, that creator won't get the whole $3,000. IZEA will take a piece. I think it's around 20% of whatever they get. Okay, the second thing is their monthly subscriptions of their tools, which is $149 a month. Okay, these tools obviously are very good for content creators to make sure you guys are more informed. It's like your analytics on YouTube, right? It's going to give you all the information on where you're lacking, how you improve, how the audience is doing, and basically the feedback. Okay, and from you getting feedback is how you could keep on creating better and better content to keep on promoting your specific brand or your specific business. So IZEA is a well-rounded company when it comes to tools and marketing. Okay, so now IZEA did start the year off very strong. IZEA started the year of January, this was published on February 1st, with January huge wins. Okay, in just the month of January, they already made more money than the January and February bookings of last year. Ted Murphy, IZEA's chairman and CEO, stated, "Not only is this the best January for managed services bookings on record, but we have also exceeded the combined bookings for January and February of 2020 in the first month of the year." And that they're already exceeding expectations for the whole first quarter in the first couple months. Okay, so they did start the year off with a bang, in my opinion, and they're going to continue to build up momentum. One of the first major things that they did was they expanded their military contract. Okay, so in the first couple months of the year, they did already re-sign some contracts, and they got a big advertisement, six-figure contract with another huge publisher. Okay, but this is the first big news and the big contract since my first video. Okay, the re-signing with a specific military branch, and that contract is a 30% increase of the overall size. Okay, how much the amount is not really disclosed as of yet, and how long the deal is hasn't been disclosed, but we all know is that this number and the new contract has been signed for IZEA, which, and again guys, probably with this booking and with this contract, it's already going to surpass the first quarter of last year. It may even start to build up momentum for the Q2 of last year already in the first Q1 of this year for IZEA. So this contract does make me happy as an IZEA shareholder. Okay, now IZEA's brand graph reaches 10 million influencers. This just shows you how much traction and attention IZEA has been getting, especially from their brand graph tool. Okay, when this brand graph was launched in March of 2020, reporting on 400 million pieces of content and 4.5 million influencers. In less than a year, it has grown to provide analysis of more than 10 million influencers and 1.2 billion pieces of content. The new content being added every 10 seconds and new brands and classifiers being added daily. Okay, so there is some sort of attention and some sort of demand for IZEA, right? And if you're going to keep on using this brand graph tool, obviously that monthly subscription is going to continue to build up momentum and make more revenue for IZEA. Right? So this, again, guys, does make me happy for IZEA stock. And this was published on February 17th. Okay. Now, another new partnership that IZEA has been doing was IZEA announces Clubhouse support in Shake. Okay, so for those of you that don't know and live under a rock, Clubhouse is a rapidly growing social audio app. Okay, and just in the past month, this app was downloaded over 4 million times. Okay, so instead of texting or instead of let's say face messaging or FaceTiming, okay, people like to listen to the audio like podcasts. Okay, this app is being used by Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, Oprah Winfrey, John Mayer, and you have conversations with those famous people. Okay, so just imagine if Elon Musk, I'm pretty sure he's not gonna promote nothing like that, but just imagine you pay Elon Musk just a little bit of money to basically promote your brand live while millions of listeners, 100,000 of listeners are there listening. Okay, that's pretty good influencer marketing and good influencer promotion for your specific brand or ad or company, right? So this partnership or this announcement just does make me happy for IZEA stock moving forward. Okay, so when that comes to IZEA stock for the rest of year 2021, I do see this company hitting a new all-time high. The previous all-time high was around $7, and I believe, if I'm not mistaken, in my first video I had a target price of around $7 to go back into it. But as I see this momentum developing, I do see IZEA reaching probably even higher than that. I'm talking about maybe $15, $20 by the end of year 2021, which in a way is a far shot to shoot for, but I'm really bullish on IZEA stock. Okay, full disclosure, obviously if you haven't could tell, I do have IZEA shares in my stock portfolio. I think it goes for around 1%, 1.2% of my portfolio, which isn't a big position, but I'm really bullish on IZEA long term. Okay, and I do see a lot of momentum and on other things they're doing. Again, influencer marketing is a growing industry. This company is gonna have its ups and downs because of the different companies that's actually into it right now. Okay, I saw a post recently saying that if Facebook ever goes into influencer marketing, that's going to be a huge problem for IZEA. Which in a way it could be a huge problem, but IZEA is actually one of the first players that's chipping away at the other competitors right now. So if Facebook or any other company does start to join influencer marketing, it may damage the revenues of IZEA, because obviously Facebook is a bigger platform than IZEA. But IZEA is going to chip away right now before any other competitor joins and start to build up more and more momentum. Which in my opinion, it doesn't matter if any other huge competitor comes into the game. I think IZEA is a long-term hold no matter who is competing. Because influencer marketing, if everything goes right by year 2025, it should be a $25 billion industry. If IZEA could get just a portion of that piece of pie, IZEA will be in pretty good shape, okay? Especially that their brand graph tools and other tools that IZEA is offering is actually being attractive by a lot of content creators, and a lot of brands, and a lot of companies. So this company is headed for stardom, in my opinion, okay? I do think this company is going to have even more growth potential for the rest of year 2021. Again, my price prediction is around $15 to $20. All right, guys. So let me know down in the comment section what you guys think about my price prediction and my analysis, and what type of news that this company actually has. Are you buying IZEA? Are you avoiding IZEA? Do you have it on your watch list? Let me know in the comment section what you think about IZEA stock. All right, guys. So that's basically the video. Thank you all for watching. Please take care of yourselves. Please wear your mask, and see you guys next time. All right. Peace out. Bye.